Welcome to Online Tools Master, your guide to the world's simplest browser tools. Today we're exploring something beautiful, clever, and pixel-perfect, the WebP Pixelator. This tool lets you pixelate any part of a WebP image to hide sensitive info, create cool retro effects, or protect privacy, all in your browser, and all for free. To get started, open your browser and search www.onlinetools.com/webp. Here you can find the WebP Pixelator and other cool WebP tools. Just load your WebP file and the pixelation effect is applied right away. You can customize the pixelation effect by adjusting shape, pixelation area, or block size. Example 1. Pixelate a secret spice. Here's our input, a transparent WebP image showing assorted spices. But one of these is a super secret ingredient we don't want to reveal. Here's the output. We've applied a rectangular pixelation to keep our signature spice hidden. To do this, we used the following settings. We applied a rectangle-shaped pixelation effect starting at position left 14 and top 169, with a width of 164 pixels and a height of 236 pixels. The block size was set to 20 pixels, creating a medium pixelation level to effectively conceal the secret spice. That's it, download and save this pixelated WebP to your system. Example 2. Pixelate the entire WebP. This time we're pixelating the entire image of almonds for a retro mosaic effect. And here's the output. Every pixel turned into a block. We left all position and size fields empty and just set the block size to 40 pixels. The tool auto-fills the entire WebP. Download and save this pixel masterpiece with just one click. Example 3. Apply oval pixelation effect. Next up, privacy mode. Let's pixelate just the dog's face using an oval-shaped area. Now the photo's safe to share online. So here we used an oval shape, positioned at left 174 and top 26, with a width of 256 pixels and a height of 364 pixels. The block size was set to 30 pixels, creating a bold pixelation effect over the dog's face. Pixelated, clean, and ready to download. So whether you're hiding something or just pixelifying for style, the WebP Pixelator is your go-to tool. You'll find the link to this tool in the description below. Or just visit www.onlinetools.com/webp and, explore it for yourself. Watch our other creative tools in action. Draw a fractal tree, or try your hand at a Hilbert curve. You'll love what you can make. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more browser magic.